Let's crochet a flower headband for our bee. Hi friends, this is Crochet by Lily. In the previous video tutorial, I showed how to crochet this cute bee. This is a quick and easy project. I will leave the link to this video in the description box. So today I want to show you how easy it is to crochet a flower-shaped headband. You can crochet such headband for any toy that has a similar head shape. And also at the end of this video I will show how to easily embroider a heart on the bee's bottom. Let's get started! For this project I'm using the number 4 velvet yarn pink color and 4mm crochet hook. We start crocheting from the center of the bottom part. Add pink yarn one round before the black rounds. Now we will make slip stitch all the way around. Don't make slip stitch too tightly. This is really important note. Finish this round with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Hide the short tail of yarn into the body. Now we will make 6 chain. Make 1 slip stitch to the same stitch. This is the basis for the future petal. Between the petals, crochet 2 single crochet. And now make one more base of petal, 6 chain and slip stitch to the same stitch. Two single crochet between the petals. Now repeat this pattern around. Now it looks so cute, but not enough. So let's continue. Now we will have to shape petals. Between the petals make 1 single crochet. Make to the petal 2 single crochet. Three more double crochet. And 2 more single crochet. Between the petals, make slip stitch. Now repeat this pattern all the way around. 2 single crochet, 3 double crochet and 2 single crochet to the petal. One slip stitch between the petals. Continue this pattern. Now it looks so adorable, so flowering, I really like it. Now fasten off. Look at these two, they are so adorable. So, do you want to learn how to embroider a heart? Don't afraid, this is really easy. Grab a tapestry needle, use velvet pink yarn and repeat after me. Don't forget to secure the thread at the end. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.